Problem. A straight line parallel to the line y is equal to root 3x passes through the point q2, 3 and cuts the line 2x plus 4y minus 27 is equal to 0 at P. Then find the length PQ. So given that a straight line parallel to the line y is equals to root 3x passes through the point q2, 3. Now we are taking one line which is the line passes through the point q2, 3. And this is the line given that this is the line parallel to y is equal to root 3x. So this is the line y is equals to root 3x. And the line which passes through the point 2, 3 and which is parallel to the line y is equal to root 3x cuts the line 2x plus 4y minus 27 equals to 0 at the point P. Then what is the length of the PQ? That is a given question. So first we take the length of the PQ is equals to R. So here y is equal to root 3x is a given line. When we compare this equation with y is equals to mx, then the value of m is equal to root 3, that is tan theta is equal to root 3. Then theta value is equal to 60 degrees. That is, this line makes an angle 60 with the x-axis. Since these two lines are parallel, also this line makes an angle 60 degrees with the x-axis. So this line makes an angle 60 degrees with the x-axis means here we have the theta is equals to 60. Now what are the coordinates of this point? This is a point which is at a distance of r units from this point 2, 3. So we are finding the coordinates of this point by using the formula x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Now what are x1, y1? x1, y1 is equal to 2, 3. Theta is equals to 60 degrees. Now we are replacing this point P in this line. We get the required answer r value. That's all. That is the procedure. So first we write the given line equation. Given line is y is equals to root 3x. Now we are comparing this equation with y is equals to mx. M is equal to root 3. M means tan theta. Tan theta is equals to root 3 means tan 60. That is the value of theta is equals to 60 degrees. Next we are taking the given point. What is given point? Given point is q is equals to 2, 3. Now we are finding the point P by using the formula x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Now replacing the values, x1 2 plus r into cos 60, 3 plus r into sin 60, and this is equals to 2 plus r into 1 by 2. This is 3 plus r into root 3 by 2. Since the point P lies on the line 2x plus 4y minus 27 equal to 0, we are substituting this point in this equation. So replacing the point here, 2 into x value 2 plus r by 2 plus 4 into y value 3 plus root 3 r by 2 minus 27 equal to 0. That is 4 plus 2 r by 2 r plus 12 plus 4 into root 3 r by 2 2 root 3 r minus 27 equal to 0. Taking r common here, r into 1 plus 2 root 3 is equals to 4 plus 12, 16 minus 27 minus 11. When we are writing that minus 11 to that side, then it becomes plus 11. Therefore, the value of r is equals to 11 by 1 plus 2 root 3. Now, taking the rationalization is equal to 11 by 2 root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3 minus 1. And this is equals to 11 into 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3 whole square. 12 minus 1 square, that is 1, equals to 11 into 2 root 3 minus 1 by 11. Therefore, the value of r is equals to 2 root 3 minus 1. That's all. Next problem. A straight line whose inclination with the positive direction of x-axis measured in the anti-clockwise direction is pi by 3 makes positive intercept on the y-axis. If the straight line is at a distance of 4 units from the horizon, then find the equation. So, given that the straight line whose inclination with the positive direction of x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction is pi by 3, and the straight line makes positive intercept on the y-axis. Now this is the straight line. The straight line makes an angle pi by 3 with the positive direction of the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. That is given that theta is equals to pi by 3 and makes positive intercept on the y-axis. So this is y-intercept. And also given that if the straight line is at a distance of 4 units from the horizon. Now given that the line is at a distance of 4 units from the horizon. So the distance between the horizon to line is equals to 4. That is a given. Now what is the equation of the line? That is a given question. Here given that theta is equals to pi by 3. From that we are taking the slope value. M is equal to tan theta, tan 60. That is the value of m is equal to root 3. Now what is the equation of the line? So first we take the equation of the line is y is equals to mx plus c, where c is the y-intercept. That is, root 3x minus y plus c equal to 0. This is the line. What is given? This line is at a distance of 4 units from the origin. What is the formula for finding the perpendicular distance from the origin to the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0? The formula is mod c by square root of a square plus b square. Given that the perpendicular distance value is equals to 4, by equating this value to 4, we can get the required answer. That is the procedure. First, we take the given data. So, given that theta is equals to pi by 3, that is, from this theta we are taking the slope value, m is equals to tan theta, tan pi by 3, that is root 3. And next we take the equation of the line. Let equation of line be y is equals to mx plus c. Which implies y is equal to root 3x plus c. That is, the equation of line is root 3x minus y plus c equal to 0. Given that the length of the perpendicular from origin to the line is equal to 4. What is the length of the perpendicular? Formula mod c by square root of a square plus b square. This value equals to 4. Now replacing the values, mod c by, here c is equal to 6, square root of ab. A is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus 1. A square 3 plus b square 1 equals to 4. Which implies mod c by root 4 equals to 2. Mod c by 2 is equal to 4, then the value of mod c is equals to 8. Therefore, the value of c is equals to plus or minus 8. Therefore, the equation of line is root 3x minus y plus c equal to 0. That is root 3x minus y plus or minus 8 equal to 0. That's all. This is the required line. Next problem. A straight line L is drawn through the point A2, 1 such that its point of intersection with the straight line x plus y is equals to 9 is at a distance of 3 root 2 from A. Then find the angle which the line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Find the angle. We want to find the angle value. So given data is the straight line L is passing through the point A2, 1. This is the straight line passing through the point A2, 1 such that its point of intersection with the line x plus y is equals to 9 is at a distance of 3 root 2 from the point A. Now this is the point of intersection of the given line and required line. So this is the point of intersection. What is given? The point of intersection is at a distance of 3 root 2 from the point 2, 1. We want to find the angle made by this line with the x-axis. That's we want to find the value of theta. So here what are the coordinates of P here? We are finding the coordinates of P by using the formula x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. What are x1, y1, 2, y? What is r value? 3 root 2. After finding this value, we are substituting this point in the line equation. After taking the simplification, we will get the value of theta. That is the procedure. So first we take the given point as x1, y1 is equal to 2, y is equals to 9. Now we are finding coordinates of P by using the formula x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Now replacing the values, this is 2 plus 3 root 2 into cos theta, 1 plus 3 root 2 into sin theta. But the point P lies on the line x plus y is equals to 9. So replacing this point on the equation. Since P lies on the line, x plus y is equals to 9. Now replacing the point x. What is x value? 2 plus 3 root 2. 2 plus 3 root 2 cos theta plus y. What is y value? 1 plus 3 root 2 sin theta is equals to 9. Which implies 3 root 2 cos theta plus 3 root 2 sin theta. Taking 3 root 2 common, 3 root 2 into cos theta plus sin theta is equals to 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. Therefore, the value of cos theta plus sin theta is equals to 2 by root 2. Which is equals to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2 means this is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Therefore, cos theta plus sin theta is equals to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Now, the angle theta is equal to pi by 4 satisfies this equation. The angle theta is equal to pi by 4 satisfies every equation. Therefore, the value of theta is equals to pi by 4. That's all.